Hello friends!
Hello.
I'm Yuji.
I'm Sarah. I'm Towa.
Okay, today we're going to draw My Melody.
Yeah.
Okay, who's My Melody?
Oh, it's like this character. Yeah.
So, yes, it's a Japanese character.
Yeah, but it's for
It's
girls
very
this time.
cute and it's
Yeah.
very pink and is she a rabbit? Maybe.
Mostly.
She looks like a rabbit,
Yeah. And this
but
girl
very
draw.
cute. Okay, let's do it. What do we need? Black marker and A4 paper and
any crayon
coloring
like this.
pad at home. Anything? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 5 if you're ready. All right. Okay, let's do it. Let's finish fun. Okay, let's draw My Melody. Okay, we're gonna start from her face.
Face.
So we're gonna draw a big circle in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
Big circle, but make sure you have a little space
Yeah.
on the right, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, just watch. Big circle minus a little space. Like that, okay? And then we're gonna draw her ear. Just need a curve, 3 curves. Curves. Yes. And we need another ear,
Yeah.
which kind of goes a little bit longer than the other one. Which goes, it looks almost like a baseball bat. Yes, and he or she needs a flower.
Yeah.
And flower looks like this, just made out of 4 little circles like this.
Yeah.
3, 4, and then there's a circle in the middle. Okay. Okay. Next we need another circle, oval, I guess.
Yeah.
That goes from this and goes back to this. Good. Okay. And we need her eyes,
Yeah.
which is
Yeah.
just 2 circles like that. Yeah, she's so cute. And you can fill it up with black. Yes. How you going? Oh, that's great. She's cute. I'm My Melody. What's My Melody? All right. Okay. Okay. A lot of circles, I guess. Okay. Her nose is another circle, which looks something like that. Okay, and her mouth goes straight under the nose. Curve. It's basically 2 curves. 1 curve, and then 2 curves. Yes. Oh yeah, that's very cute. She's smiling. Okay. All right. Okay. You can stay. You can. Oh yeah. You don't have to go further than that if you think it's hard. But I'm gonna keep going with her body.
So the cute body.
Yeah. Okay. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it then. Starting from her. What is it? Is her collar?
Yeah.
Her clothes? Something?
Yeah, his color.
It's collar. Okay. Left collar. Okay, the reason why I've got this space there is because she's got her hand on her cheek. I don't know what she's doing. She's I don't know. She's doing something. Thinking maybe. Okay. Okay. We need another hand. That's on the right.
Another hand.
Another hand.
Yeah,
That's
another hand.
right. Okay. She's got 2 hands. Yes.
Yeah.
And like that. Okay.
Like that.
What do we need next? Oh, we need her arm,
Yeah.
which goes like this. Yes. And her tummy. Yes.
Tummy.
Tummy is just 1 line basically, just like that. Because she's got legs. Legs is pretty big. Circle going like that. Okay. What are you missing? You're missing her leg, right leg. Just draw her right leg. Okay, we need another leg like that. Okay, like that.
これバッグみたい。
Yeah, that looks like a bag. Yeah, you can just freestyle, right? Just draw whatever you like. I'm just gonna draw her sitting and relaxing. Okay, and we just need her tail, I guess. Circle. Wow, what a cutie! Okay, that's basically it. Okay, we're going to color it, right? Okay, fast forward. Alright, we've done coloring. Okay, what do you think? Oh, okay. Oh, wow, that's original. That's a lot of colors on her body. Wow, oh wow, that's very funky. Oh, he's just got something sticking out. Very funky. Alright, did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, now you know how to draw my melody. Okay. So, if you guys like watching this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we're gonna keep drawing cool Japanese characters.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the next
Okay, so
episode is gonna be.
no, there's not it. There's no episodes.
Yeah, but you can watch whatever. You
Whatever.
want.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, you don't know what next one is, yeah, do we?
We do.
We don't.
I do. It's Dragon Ball.
Okay. We're gonna draw Dragon Ball next. Anyway, thanks for watching today, and see you next time. Bye.